Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. Very hot, grabe. It's like I'm inside the oven that there is fire on top and down. You know the wind when you the wind is hot. Like your di gonna cook you. The fire is up and down inside the oven. Anyway guys, I'm going to the mall. Yesterday, I wasn't able to record the preaching in church because my cell phone became low button. When I tried to record it, I don't know, it's gone. I wasn't able to save the video. It's very hot. It's very hot. See, I'm going to the mall because they wake up early and I don't know what I'm gonna cook today. When they wake up, until now, the fish that I'm gonna cook, oven sibrim, still hard, frozen. I need to buy what I need to put there. Yeah, I'm here in the mall again, guys. Today is weekend. Here again in the mall. This is what's not painting in the wall. That's a painting, eh. That's not a wallpaper. I'm wearing hat because very hot outside. I'm here again in Lolo. In this one. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget heart. Leave a comment suggestion and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. My friend is asking about my application going to Albania. I did not receive any result for the interview. Maybe I did not pass the interview. And I did not pay the 200 euro because I did not receive any job offer. Anyway guys, I need to put this down because it's not allowed to get a video inside the mall or inside the lolo. Bye guys, bye.